3. That's how many minutes it takes for a leg cramp to ruin your sleep, your walk, or even your day. But what's the best way to stop them before they start? Most people try stretching, drinking water, or taking random supplements. But these methods are inconsistent, frustrating, and often miss the real cause. So, what's the solution? The answer is simple. You need to fix what's happening inside your body. And it starts with the foods you eat. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 foods you can eat to help prevent leg cramps and keep your muscles calm and cramp-free. Leg cramps don't just come out of nowhere. They're often a warning sign that something's off inside your body, usually a lack of essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, or calcium. And while stretching or drinking more water can help a little, if your muscles aren't getting the right fuel, they'll still cramp. That's why food matters. Because the right foods don't just stop cramps, they prevent them by restoring balance, improving circulation, and giving your muscles exactly what they need to relax. And the best part? These foods are safe, natural, and already in your kitchen. Leg cramps can disrupt your day or night, but with the right foods, you can easily prevent them. Let's start with bananas, a classic, and for good reason. Bananas are rich in potassium, a vital mineral that helps regulate muscle contractions. When potassium levels drop, your muscles can tighten and cramp. Eating a banana daily, especially before physical activity or bedtime, can help keep your muscles relaxed and reduce the chances of cramping. Next up, sweet potatoes. They may seem simple, but they pack a punch. Sweet potatoes are loaded with magnesium, which is crucial for muscle and nerve function. Plus, their slow-digesting carbs provide steady energy, helping your muscles stay fueled and relaxed throughout the day. If you're looking to add more greens to your diet, spinach is a perfect choice. This leafy green is rich in both calcium and magnesium, 2 minerals that play a major role in preventing muscle spasms. Whether you toss it into an omelet, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to a salad, spinach can be an easy, cramp-fighting addition to your meals. Another often overlooked hero is eggs. These power-packed foods provide high-quality protein that helps your muscles repair, along with vitamin D and B vitamins that support healthy nerve function and blood flow. Starting your day with 1 or 2 eggs can give your muscles the support they need to stay strong and cramp-free. Finally, for the ultimate cramp prevention, Greek yogurt is your best friend. It's a triple threat, packed with potassium, calcium, magnesium, and protein, all the nutrients your muscles need to stay calm, strong, and nourished. Whether you enjoy it with fruit, honey, or as part of a smoothie, Greek yogurt can make a significant difference in keeping those leg cramps at bay. Incorporate these foods into your routine, and you'll notice your muscles feeling better and cramp-free in no time. Now, it's not about eating these foods just once and hoping for the best. To truly prevent leg cramps, consistency is key. You don't need to eat all 5 foods every single day. Instead, try to incorporate a few of them into your daily routine. Here's how. Start your morning with a Greek yogurt parfait topped with banana slices and a sprinkle of nuts. Add spinach to your eggs or smoothie for an easy nutrient boost. Snack on sweet potatoes or a small serving of roasted veggies at lunch to keep your muscles fueled all day long. By simply making these foods a habit, you're nourishing your muscles, preventing cramping, and setting yourself up for cramp-free days and restful nights. You don't have to live with leg cramps any longer. The power to stop them is right in your kitchen. By making small changes to your diet and adding these foods into your routine, you can start seeing relief and finally get the peaceful sleep and easy walks you deserve. So, remember, incorporate these foods consistently, and you'll be taking a big step toward cramp-free legs. You've got this. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to food for muscle health? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and share it with someone who could use a little relief from leg cramps. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on new tips to stay healthy, active, and cramp-free. Together, we're going to keep those legs feeling great.